So your message. Actually, I promise we made a video like 2 days ago. I uploaded that video, and that video got almost like 1,400 views.
Wow.
So I'm so happy.
Congratulations.
Okay. One of my two of my videos got like more than 1K. I'm glad because recently I started my channel, and yeah, channel is going well, running going well. Views are getting.
Okay. So welcome to my channel. Okay.
Thank you.
So please introduce yourself because my viewer wants to know about yourself.
Sure. My name is JD. I'm from Maharashtra. Okay. The district is Palghar, which is near to
Mm-hmm.
Bombay. Uh,
Okay.
Bombay is from my place is like 80 kilometers from here, something like that. Okay. So it take like a
Mm-hmm.
more than one and a half an hour, something. Yeah, that's all about me.
Wow, that's good. Okay. So actually in this Skype app little I don't know what happened. Sometimes recording it's like
As I mentioned, sometimes people
what
record the video, but the recording will not be saved, right?
yeah, this kind of issue I think. So I don't know exact and what I don't know that much because nowadays I'm not a consultancy, so that's why I'm asking.
So, like, from when did you start to have this problem?
Yesterday, one ma'am I talked. So that time she told Lavanya, I want to conversation with you. So yes, ma'am, definitely. So that time she recorded session. But you know what happened? There are no any recorded, and she wants to. She talked to me, and that time she told, "Where is my video?" So that time you please send my video. So that time little I thought, no, you already record. So why you are asking to send? Video. So that times little I saw and earlier I talked one guy, he also Lavanya, there is no any video. So that's why I'm asking.
Actually, this thing happened to me also. Like, I connected with one guy particular. We had a wonderful conversation around like 22 minutes. And after that,
Wow.
actually, he was recording the video. And after recording the video, when we disconnect, he called me like, JD, where is so recording? There is no recording. So we have to check it out because Skype is about to shut down, right? So there are
Mhm.
some
Yes,
glitches they
actually.
don't want to fix now. There are some glitches they don't want to spend any money on it, right? So probably because of that issue. So Skype is not
Okay.
reliable application anymore. So we have to find alternative.
Okay. So I have questions related to your state. So your stay in village area and city area.
I live in absolutely in village area, surrounded
Okay.
by
So
like so many trees, scenery like in the mountains. Okay, like 50-60 kilometers from here, you're gonna see lots of mountains. These places. Born and brought up in village, which is extremely beautiful, I believe, because most of the cities and when I talk about Mumbai, there are so many like whenever you go, you can smell the companies, chemical and those kind of stuff. But in village, I feel everything is very refreshing. Like I'm sitting under the tree right now, and a fresh air is flowing here. So yeah, I'm enjoying.
okay. So what about you like also travel?
Yeah, I found of traveling. There are so many places on my bucket list. I want to try. I mean, I want to visit Punjab. I want to visit like in Madhya Pradesh. I want to visit whole country. You know, this is thing. These are the things on my bucket list. It would be possible when I am able to make more money. Eventually. So I'm so happy.
Definitely. So why you want to visit Madhya Pradesh MP?
There are so many places. I just want to experience the culture of the people. It's not about like in UP, or like Bihar and this kind of the states, right? The reason I want to travel because I like to travel. I like to meet new people. I like to experience new culture of them. How do they live over there? Okay, because each and every culture has each and every places has its own tradition. New people, dressing sense, intonation, like new languages you're going to find over there. So yeah, I'm excited about to explore such a things.
Yeah, that's good. MP and Chhattisgarh both are neighbors. So that's why I'm asking. And I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Actually,
Yes.
see, I really like to travel the places. In Maharashtra, I have traveled many places. Okay, there are so many forts I have traveled, and the people also I like them. The way they live, small villages. They don't have any
Mhm.
proper home, but surrounded there are so many trees surrounded by their home. So it's feel very peaceful. No much tension, or you could say, how do you live in a city? It's entirely drastically different than that. So yeah, I love such a
Okay.
places because I like to be touch in the nature, right? So you'll feel cool,
Yeah,
calm, peaceful mind. It's very important.
yeah, that's good. And what about you are a morning person and late night types?
Actually, I could tell you that I late night person. Okay, I like to watch movies before I sleep, go to bed before I like to watch at least one movie.
Mm-hmm.
And most of the energy I feel, especially around like 1 or 2 o'clock in the at night. So I'm a late night person.
Okay, so what kind of movie you watch?
I like action movies, action movies and the movies like detective types of movies. Okay, action
Okay.
genres I like. Uh, there are so many things out there. When I talk about the movies, see, like I like to watch love stories as well. But in the love stories, I don't feel comfortable because love and see like these things are very not new. Okay, most of the 90% movies are about a love story. I'm finding something it will help me to me grow in my personal life, like a biographical movie. You know there are so many great athletes, right? So they have made their own movie or somebody else made on about their lifestyle. So I like to watch such movies.
Okay, so you prefer English movie and Hindi movie.
It's been like 2 years I've been watching 96-95% of English movies only. Sometimes I understand well, sometimes I don't understand, but it's a process, a part of the process. Okay, but I enjoy nowadays. I started to enjoy lots of in Hollywood movies. Yeah, and if I
Okay. Yeah.
download any Bollywood movies, I delete it because I don't want to watch it anymore.
Okay. And what about action? You like action movie also?
Action movie I really love. Like John Wick. I don't know whether you have seen that movie or not. John Wick movie. Have you seen that movie? John Wick movie? No. Okay. So I'm a big fan
No,
of
no.
John Wick.
Actually, to be honest, I'm not interested to watch movie, and while I go for movie, so that times I'm feeling little lethargic because I watch a small story. I love to watch a story, interesting story related to action story, and and you already told another thing like jasus type. You can say finding what is happened. These kind of. So I love to watch these kind of, and I love to watch action movie also. And nowadays, I also prefer like when I have sometimes so little series like podcast. I also watch.
Mhm.
Yes. So this
Do
kind
you,
of.
yeah. Do you have any favorite actor of Bollywood? You like the actor?
So to be honest, I don't have any favorite actress and even actor also.
Mm-hmm.
In Bollywood, I like Shahid Kapoor and
That,
yes, I like Shahid Kapoor and another thing like actress. So I like Priyanka Chopra also and Deepika
wow.
Padukone. Little I'm not very too much interested to watch, and like sometimes I will go for movie and I watch like earlier I watched Puspa 2. You watch Puspa 2
Yeah, I
movie?
want. Yeah.
It's so interesting and I love this kind of movie, especially action movie. I love to watch.
But action movies, yeah, like, but there are so many different betweens, like Bollywood, like, and Hollywood movies, right? Action scenes, like whenever you watch a Hollywood movie, it's like it seems like a real, you know. But in Bollywood, they are exaggerating everything, like cars are flying, so this kind of
Yeah,
scenes
it's overacting.
or acting, yeah. But people are
Yeah,
same. People are kind of habitual with it. They know if they are into watching, you know, action movies, they're expecting such a type of stuff because right now in India it is very common, right? Habitual
yes,
watching.
yes. And we are habitual to watch only Hindi movie. We don't want to watch in English because it's too suspense. How to, because sometimes what happened, we don't know like fancy words. So that times we didn't understand what they say. So that's why these kind of issue in our Indian also. So that's why we most of the time we prefer only in Hindi movie because we are very comfortable in Hindi. So that's why. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's the thing, yeah, it's up to you. I think what types of genre you like, you can watch. Okay, nobody gonna tell you anything about it. It's up to it's
Yeah.
up. Yeah. So, do you like, ma'am, listen songs? What types of songs are you into?
Okay, so to be honest, I love Punjabi song, but nowadays I haven't watched any Punjabi song. Also, I forgot all the song nowadays because I am focusing only English. So that's why I focus only English, and I am very crazy about as soon as possible without any mistake. I want to talk and I want to correct myself. So that's why. I don't want to watch any kind of listening to music and watch music also. But sometimes what happen actually, I'm in salon also, and number of client also in my area. So sometimes I play songs. So that times I little sing. So that times I prefer only Bollywood because in my area people they don't want to Hollywood song. You know. Yeah.
Yeah, I get
So
it
sometimes
because
I listen.
when you running a business, then things you have to do according to the customer, right? Liking.
Yes.
Not it's not going to about you because customer is the king for you, right?
Yes, yes. And sometimes, what happened, customer also want to, this song, it's nice, so please play. So that time, yes, I'm sorry, ma'am. Yes, and almost, I play only meditation song also because
Wow.
that times they want to feel relax, meditation song.
Relax, right? They want to relax, right?
Yeah, they want to relax, so that's why I prefer only meditation song, and I don't want to in my side also while I go for play, and sometimes my staff. So that time I strictly say my staff, you play only meditation, don't play another song because I hate. I don't know why I don't want to listen. Hindi and another song because while you listen, so that times your mind attract some word related to in Hindi. So that times in your automatically come out your song like. So that's why I don't want to prefer nowadays, to be honest.
Means what happened, like if you're surrounded by the language, suppose you are listening Hindi song right now, so
Yeah, that's
subconsciously your brain gonna think about that right now you're giving much important to the Hindi language, right? Because you're listening
yes.
song right in Hindi. So your subconscious mind gonna think right now this person is listening Hindi song, which means that Hindi is very important to this particular person. Okay. So, but on the other hand, if you're going to listen English song, so your brain going to think, oh, English is very important to her. So you will learn, it's kind of brain exercise, right? You go to gym, you do workout in order to, strengthen your body, right? This is the same way we can strengthen our mindset, our brain to learn the language as quickly as possible. So it's very environment is very
Okay.
important, right?
And what about gym? You talk. You love to do gym.
No, no, I don't like. I'm a skinny guy. Okay, honestly, uh, I don't go to gym. I have daily routine that I like to walk each and every day. Okay,
Okay.
walking habit I have. But no gym I will not do in the future as well because I'm not that kind of person who like to go to gym and lift a weight. I'm very happy with my exercise like walking and those kind of stuff. But my brother, on the other hand, he do lots of gym. In fact, he brought so many tools, like dumbbells, whatever these things are at home.
Yes, yes. I have
Kind of
also.
yeah, he's obsessed. Do you do gym as well? Like slight
No,
exercise.
no. Actually, I prefer only home. I don't want to go for gym because I have also dumbbell and sometimes I do push up also because I like to do these kind of workout because that times while you did these kind of things so you feel very motivated and very energetic. So that times your subconscious mind also work lot. So that's why. So listen, we already talked 15 minutes. So you have any questions? So please you ask. Other than like I want to
No,
go.
actually, no. No, no. Okay, okay. You're busy, girl. That's why. That's it for today. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Bye,
Bye
bye.
and take care. We will meet soon very